You guys, I wanted to just, I know, I'm traveling, I'm a travel girl, we're still going here, we're going strong, we're traveling the world, we're visiting all countries. All that is continuing and always will on this channel, but I feel we are living in the last days because I see it in the Bible. We are living in the last days. God says so much about the end of the world, and if you and I are existing, it's a big deal, because that means God thought we were capable of living in this kind of world. I talk to so many elderly people and they say, I don't know how you guys do it. Life was not like this years ago. There was not this kind of treachery, this kind of vague evilness just going on in the world, and it's normal, and what comes out of people's mouths, and everyone's arguing, everyone's killing each other, and everyone's a victim of something, and everyone's complaining, and everyone's arguing, and everyone, if they're not arguing, there's divorce everywhere, there's no love, there's people hating people, wars, and even the war is happening, but then where the war's not happening, people are still being killed just for having a different opinion from somebody else, and everyone's talking about each other, and no one has any love or peace, and everyone's looking out for themselves, and people are depressed. And to me, I don't know about you guys, when I look at the world, I'm like, I don't know about you guys, when I look at the world, I'm like, yo, what the heck? But I'm at peace because the word tells me to be at peace. And when I tell you guys, I wake up, the first thing I do, I have my notes. I go straight to God. I talk to God because I need him, and I need this word. Trust me, guys, this word, the Bible, will keep you in these days, because listen, the Bible's true. Everything it says is coming true. And it says in the Bible, listen, it's not going to get better. It's going to get worse. There's going to be more division. God says in the Bible, races will be divided in the last days. Are you kidding me? Is that not right now? There's racial division everywhere. People will be clinging to victimhood. Everyone sees themselves as some kind of victim, and people will be killing each other, and there'll be disease and natural disasters, and God says it's only going to get worse. There's only going to be more hurricanes, there's only going to be more earthquakes, there's only going to be more war, there's only going to be more racial divide. It's not going to get better. We're only going down from here. If you don't see that that we're living in the last days, the Bible is coming true, everything it says, then I don't understand how you would explain that this is not true. So anyways, here's a good part. Those who are in Christ, we're safe. We're safe. And I just want to say a verse that I keep in my heart all day long. I wanted to just make a video for you guys because it provides me with so much peace. So I just wanted to make a video quickly to let you guys know of a verse that's been helping me a lot, and I say it every single day. So it's Proverbs 3:2 or Proverbs 3:1, wherever you want to start, but I start at Proverbs 3:2. My child, do not forget my teaching, but keep my commands in your heart, for they will prolong your life for many years and bring you peace and prosperity. Let love and faithfulness never leave you. This is the key to being in peace and in this world. Let love and faithfulness, if we could just focus on letting love and faithfulness, meaning love people and be faithful to God, meaning just completely trust him. Let love and faithfulness never leave you. Bind them around your neck. Write them on the tablet of your heart. Then you will win favor in the name and a good name in the sight of God. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not to your own understanding. In all of your ways, acknowledge him, and he'll make your path straight. Do not be wise in your own eyes. This is the key. If we listen to this, there would be no war. There'd be no chaos on the internet. There'd be not people killing each other and arguing. And it's so crazy. I could be looking at a video, a cooking video, which I don't anymore. I like avoid Instagram because I honestly am sick of this world. I stay in the word all day. I'm not even trying to be all holy or no. I stay in the word and I watch like some of my favorite preachers. That's it, because I can't handle the internet anymore. The world is, God says in the Bible that in the last days the world will be covered in a black, thick darkness. It'll just be evil everywhere. Everyone's arguing, everyone's mad at each other, everyone's accusing, everyone's spitting on each other and mocking each other, and people just can't like, I'll be watching a cooking video or something on Instagram and the comments are just people arguing. Like, I can't with the world. Like, I'm just so sick of it. This is my everything. This is my everything. This is what I keep, I stay focused on it all day. But everyone thinks they know. Everyone thinks they know. Everyone thinks they know everything. And the word says, do not be wise in your own eyes. Fear the Lord and shun evil. This will bring health to your body and nourishment to your bones. Honor the Lord with your money, with the first fruits of your crops. Then your barns will be filled to overflowing, and your vats will brim over with new wine. You know what that means? Give to people. Give, and God will give to you. You won't have to worry. My son, do not despise the Lord's discipline. Do not resent his rebuke, because the Lord disciplines those he loves. As a father, the son he delights in. Meaning, don't be mad if some bad things have happened to you. God's disciplining you and he's trying to make you a better person. Blessed are those who find wisdom, those who gain understanding. For a woman with wisdom is more profitable than silver, and she yields better returns than gold. She is more precious than rubies. Nothing you desire can compare with her. Long life is in her right hand, and in her left hand are riches and honor. Her ways are pleasant ways, and all her paths are peace. She is a tree of life to those who take hold of her. Those who hold her fast will be blessed. By wisdom the Lord laid the earth's foundations. By understanding he set the heavens in place. By his knowledge the watery depths were divided, and the clouds let drop the dew. My son, do not let wisdom and understanding out of your sight. I learned this. You must keep your eyes on the word. You must, in this world in 2023. Because it is a slippery slope. My son, do not let wisdom and understanding out of your sight. Preserve sound judgment and discretion. They will be life for you, an ornament to grace your neck. You know what that means? Life is like the Wild West. Life is like you're in the Amazon, right? Everything's out to get you. It will swallow you up. If you were to go to the Amazon right now, right? You wouldn't just go. You wouldn't. You would say, you know what? Okay, I need proper boots. Like, I mean the Amazon, like the real Amazon, like the jungle. You're like, okay, I need proper boots. I need this bug spray. I need these kind of shoes. I need this kind of socks. You'd be packing your book backpack of stuff you actually need. You probably bring medicine in case you got bit by something. You would have a guide with you because you know that you can't just be walking around the Amazon by yourself. You would trust that guide to bring you through the Amazon. You would be walking each step carefully walking through the Amazon, because you know there's spiders and deadly snakes the size of the Eiffel Tower, and there's, bugs everywhere, and it's the Amazon, there's a jungle. You would be very careful. This is how you would have a backpack full of stuff you need, equipment. God says this is how we have to wake up every day. Like, he's like, no. Life is the Amazon. It's worse. You need to wake up and you need to put on what you need, which is the Bible. You need to pay attention. You need to look for the Bible for your wisdom, and you need to be so careful walking throughout life. And don't think you know anything. Just trust me. Please don't think you know anything. Please. He says, don't be wise in your own eyes. Come to me for your knowledge. Come to me. And walk carefully through life. Don't just bulldoze it. And you gotta stay in the word. Trust me, you need to stay in the word. It's gotta be in front of your face every single day. And God says he sends a special blessing to people who stay in his word. His favorite people. He gives favor. Don't you want favor from God? I know I do. I'm in my word every day like, I need favor. Wait a minute. I need all the favor I can get. Hold on. I'm up 6 a.m. like with my Bible and my notes. Okay. The word excites me. Okay, where were we? Okay. My son, do not let wisdom and understanding out of your sight. Preserve sound judgment and discretion. They will be life for you, an ornament to grace your neck. Then you will go on your way in safety, and your foot won't stumble. When you lie down, you won't be afraid. When you lie down, your sleep will be sweet. Have no fear of sudden disaster or the ruin that overtakes the wicked. For the Lord will be at your side. You will keep and he'll keep your foot from being snared. Do not withhold good from those whom it is due. When it is in your power to act, don't say to your neighbor, hey, come back tomorrow and I'll give it to you, when you already have it with you. Do not plarm. That was the devil. See what he's doing? Do not plot harm against your neighbor who lives trustfully next to you. Do not accuse anyone for no reason when they have done nothing to you. Don't envy the violent or choose any of their ways. For the Lord detests violent people. Or choose any of their ways. But God takes the upright into his confidence. You know what that means? People who never choose violence, no matter what. Upright people. I'm not going to lean and try and vindicate myself. Vindication and justice comes from God. God will always avenge you. God will always take care of you. He never wants you to be violent, ever. He never wants you to be trying to take life into your own hands and you vindicating and justifying yourself or whatever. God hates it. Do not accuse anyone of no harm. Do not envy the violent or choose any of the words, for the Lord detests violent, and he takes upright into his confidence. Can you imagine God detesting you? I don't want God to detest me. I'm never violent. Hey, whatever happens to me, happens to me. God is my avenger. I don't try and take nothing into my own hands. The Lord's curse is on the house of the wicked, but he blesses the home of the righteous. You know what righteous means? People whose heart is on God. That's all it means. God mocks proud mockers. This part got me. That literally means God mocks people who mock people. This dumbfounded me the other day. God mocks people who mock people. Oh my gosh. If you're mocked in this world, if people make fun of you, people point their finger at you and make fun of you, smile. But don't smile like, you got something bad coming, because God doesn't want that either. Smile because you know God is mocking them. Their life is going to be a mockery. And God will keep you. No matter what people say, God mocks. Yo, this whole idea that God is just, everybody, he loves them. God does love everybody, but God doesn't like everybody. It says in the Bible, I didn't say it. God says he detests God detests violent people. And he mocks proud mockers, but shows favor to the humble and oppressed. The wise inherit honor, but fools live in shame. Listen, you guys. The Bible is so important, and it's the only truth in this day. We're living in the last days. Life is crazy. I don't know if you guys see it. I see it. Life is crazy. This world, I'm in awe sometimes. I'm like, this is really life right now. Like, I can't believe I'm living in this reality. All of it's chaos. Yeah, we can look at the war in Gaza and be like, that's chaos. But to me, all of this mess is chaos. the Bible, you need it. Trust me, you need it. Anyways, if you guys want to join, you guys want postcards from me, I have a Bible version now of my postcards, because I have a motivational postcard program where I write you guys motivational messages from within postcards while I'm traveling. But I was starting to write out stuff from the Bible, and I was like, wait a minute, not everyone might want the Bible verses. So anyways, I have a Bible version now. If you want to receive 25 postcards from me where I'm writing you postcards, I'm writing you letters, so I take verses from the Bible that I think are important right now, and I'll write them on the back. You can sign up down below. It's actually 30% off today because it's November 1st, so if you want to sign up today, it's 30% off. With the code NOV1, you can receive postcards from me. And I'll write you Bible verses that we need in this day and age. If you don't want the Bible verse version, you can just get general motivational dream chasing advice from me. I think it's really cool, and I really like doing it. So you can sign up down below for 30% off today. If not, just watch my videos, because I think I will continue to speak periodically. I'll sprinkle. I don't want to become the Jesus freak YouTuber. It's not gonna happen, don't worry. Don't worry, you guys, I'm not gonna become the Jesus freak YouTuber. That's not happening. I just think it's so important right now with everything going on that I just had to say this. So I love you guys, and trust me, we got some more non-religious regular videos, really exciting, coming soon of me traveling this world all by myself, and I love it so much, and it's really exciting, and I'll see you guys in my next video.